Kakasalang yung paulit-ulit na videos mo, Kabsat Tony, sabi ni Sis Lori. Hola, Jander! Kumusta's? Kumusta's, Jander? Nakalimutan ko pala si Sis Kat. Isali doon sa isa na sipi. Dagdag mo na lang, Sis Lo. Salamat ko yung sa jarang-jarang dyan. Ayan. Ang tagal ko kayang, kuyang, hindi nag-LS ng ganito. Estoy bien, Jander. Muchas gracias. O, diba? Ang ganda ng sky ngayon. I-try ko ulit mamaya si Slo mag time lapse. Ayan. Kuyang, inilabas mo na ba yung mo, yung ang tawag dito? Yung mga highlights mo, yung pang yung highlights mong pang ewan ko, hindi lumalabas yung mga words ngayon sa bunganga ko. Yung pang mabigatang highlights. Ano naman yun? Yung pang trending pala. Yung pang trending na highlights, kuyang. Bakit pa naman next month, kuyang? Ilabas mo na. Todo bien, Jander. Muchas gracias. Todo bien. Gracias a Dios, estamos todo bien. Ayan. 5 visitors in the house. Mega love shout out. Kuyang, itong goal na nakalagay dito, oh. May goal siya. Make super chat more fun with a goal. Set a goal to engage with your audience in new way. Once you reach your goal, celebrate with your community. Pick a goal. 10 super chats. Ay, nako. Ano lang yan. Till and higher. Set a timer. 30 share how you celebrate. Ay, nako. Ano lang yan. Hello, Ruby. How are you? Thank you so much. You see our clouds this afternoon or this evening. It's already 7:47 here. Ito, Jander, kumusta's? I am just trying this, what do we call this? This orientation of live stream. We call this horizontal. Normally we use vertical. So I think this is better because you can see the sky better than vertical. Ayan. Leonie Ariola, USA. Hello. Thank you so much for dropping by. Like Dan Host, mega love shout out. God bless from Rosemont, Minnesota, USA. Good evening, Sis Lori from Ruby Gems. Ayan. Ayan. 5 visitors in the house. Thank you so much for dropping by. Yung sana, kuyang, yung highlights mong pang trending, ang ilabas mo. Thank you for your affection, Princess. Thank you so much also, Jander. Ayan, napapa-English na si Jander. Kumusta's, Jander? Ito si Jander, guys. Ano yan? Jander is from Brazil. Ayan. Salamat, kuyang. You are always wonderful. Thank you so much, Jander.